The hurricane season has already begun in Guatemala, and at the moment, there are more than 35,000 people at risk.
Right now, the local authorities take a lot of time to have this information, this vital information that will help them make decisions.
In 2020, there were 2 tropical storms, and in the most affected area, it took almost a month to establish the amount of people affected. We're trying to support the national systems that send disaster situations in Guatemala by providing a system that can transmit in real time the damage and the affected population information in places that are really difficult to access during an emergency and also after an emergency.
The Dronebots project was designed to use a drone technology and a technological system called LoRa that allows us to send and receive information without the use of internet in real time.
During an emergency, drones are deployed to hard-to-reach areas to assess the situation, collecting vital data on impacts and affected populations. Local volunteers gather this data on the ground and transmit it to the drones during flyovers. The drones then relay the information for rapid analysis, enabling UNICEF to respond swiftly.
At the pilot, we made some analysis and we were able to see that we could reduce 80% of the time it takes local authorities to receive this vital information. It's so innovative because it is the first time we're going to use this type of technology to address emergencies and to address disasters in the country.
So right now we are on a race against the clock, because we are trying to provide this technology in the fastest way.
Ahorita vamos a comenzar la prueba con el equipo de Dronebots a probar el sistema que han diseñado específicamente para este proyecto. Peguen duros.
It was important for us to involve the national authorities so they can be part of the testing phase of the project and receive their feedback and technical expertise.
What surprises the most is how versatile this technology is and how easy it is to adapt it to different devices.
Once we have the technology in our hands, I think that's the part where I'm most excited about, when we are going to see the solution in the field.